Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox server is busy. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox server is busy, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page on this list, you will go to this window of Roblox and you will click. Here in this page of apps, info, you will click on force stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that, in this page, you will click clear cache. And in the end of all the steps, then you can turn off your Wi-Fi here. And you can click to turn on your Wi-Fi again when you will wait for 3 seconds to fix your problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.